Welcome to the first episode of Baking with Bailey. So as you can see here for our first episode, we are doing a cake decorating challenge. Okay, so competing in our cake decorating challenge, we have two teams. The first team is Lily and Melissa, the nerds. The second team is Large and in charge, Brady and Micah. Okay, so what makes this cake decorating challenge different is that this cake decorating challenge theme is, drumroll please, Halloween! Listen up teams, because you guys will have secret ingredients that you must include in your cake. So we have Halloween and fall sprinkles that must be included in your cake. And we also have graham crackers. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to brainstorm ideas and then we're gonna get into it. Teams, you have 45 minutes to decorate. Let's get into decorating. Your time starts now.
Okay, so we can start by dividing the frosting.
I'll get a hot plate.
So just like grab a spoonful. Yeah. Is that enough? Or a little bit more? Cover it, right?
We need to put some. No, don't put that on yet.
Let's take the dye.
Why?
We have to get it. Okay, teams, 20 more minutes.
Comment down below if you think this looks like a RIP.
Stop using good vocab on a weekend.
I am Frankenstein! I am Frankenstein!
10 seconds on the clock. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
So before we tell you who we thought won, make sure you comment down in the comment section below who you think won, and I'd just like to give a shout out to everyone for all the participants. They all did an amazing job, so props to that.
Okay, so we have a few categories. So we think that Brady and Micah is definitely one for creativity and use of materials. And Lily and Melissa is definitely one for visual looks, but also their creativity.
Yeah,
So taking those things into account,
I think that overall we've got to hand it to Melissa and Lily.
good job!